Hi everybody! In this video we learn how to start working with Polyflow to translate our Webflow site into different languages. The first thing we need to do is create a Polyflow account. If you're doing this for the first time, you're going to try for free create an account. I'm going to log into my account that I already have created. When you create an account for the first time, you are going to be presented with this screen that says that you need to install our extension in your browser. I just need to add the extension to my browser from the Chrome Web Store and confirm. Then, I recommend you to pin the extension in Chrome. Open the extensions by clicking the puzzle icon next to your profile avatar. To pin the extension to Chrome, click the push pin icon so that the icon turns blue, and that's it. Next, we need to prepare our Webflow project to synchronize with Polyflow. Let's go to the configuration of our project, and here we scroll down to find the language code field. Here we are going to enter the ISO code of the main language of our project. If you have any doubt, you can consult the list of ISO codes from this link in Webflow. Don't forget to save the changes. Then the other important thing we need to do is to publish our project to the Webflow domain. This is important for Polyflow to be able to create the pages, so don't forget to publish your site. Once we have our project published, we can check that is all okay and go into the designer mode. As you can see, the Polyflow extension appears in the Webflow sidebar menu. Let's click here and confirm our login to link the extension. We can confirm our login credentials, or continue with another account if we need to. Now we already have the extension linked to our Polyflow account, so we can start synchronizing the project with Polyflow. It may take a few minutes, so wait for it to finish. When it is finished, we can open Polyflow. As you can see, the pages of our project appear in our list of pages in Polyflow, so we can start working on the translation of our website and have fun. Don't miss the following videos where you'll learn how to translate your Webflow site with Polyflow.